Hey, what's going on? Welcome in, man. I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome to Sunday. So, a few weeks ago, I think it was a little over a week ago, Marc from Long Island Watches just announced these new aviation timepieces that he have. Yeah, those pilot watches. And I was looking at them and I said, man, that was pretty cool, man. I actually saw them the same day I dropped off at the little red door. So I thought to myself, I said, man, I would love to see what that looked like, because I ain't never, ever had a pilot's watch. So, guess who just received a pilot's watch? Let's go over here to this bench real quick and see what it looked like. All right, y'all, let's see. I have in this box a watch from Long Island, and I do have some other pieces from Long Island, but they are collaboration pieces. So this is a first for me, and this is actually the first pilot's watch I've ever owned. Now, I left my trusty knife, so I got my trusty key. Okay, so you guys are seeing the unpackaging, the unboxing, and my first Islander. Okay, family, I spared you the unpackaging this piece. I did unbox it. There was a lot of wrapping paper on it, and I have a hard time with the wrapping paper sometimes, and I did with this one because of the gloves. But this is what you guys were waiting on. This is the Islander pilot's watch. This is the Ghost variation, so this is my Ghost Pilot. And then this comes with an actual nylon strap. Can't say the other word. If you know, then you know. But this is the actual, ooh, okay, little Islander logo. I tell you what, that strap is actually pretty nice, man. It's well put together. I like that. I like that. I'll actually possibly wear this through the winter. But this case, I believe it comes in at 39 millimeters. Now, looking down at it, it looks like it's a 40, 41. I'll get the measure. I'll actually review this watch and give you full detail of it. But I chose this particular one because of the Ghost variation, because of that subdued look to it. And this was a nice touch, I thought, as well. You have, I'm going to leave a link. There's some information that you don't know about Marc. Possibly don't know his history with that plane, that jet, that fighter jet. And if you think, was Marc a pilot? No, that's not it. But I will leave a link to the video that I saw this off of, as well as a link to Long Island Watches, just in case you are considering buying this watch. No, this isn't paid promotion. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just a fan. I love watches, and I wanted to get my first Islander as well as my first pilot watch. So I knocked out two birds with one stone. All right. So let's see. Okay, you got the push deployment and that plastic paper, that blasted paper. Yeah, I forgot to take that off. It's hard with these gloves. Ugh. Get out of here. Oh, man, the wind's picking up. Nah, I just littered. Okay. Get out. Give me that. Give it to me. Come on, man. And this is why, like, this, I hate to do this. I hate to have to struggle, because you guys are probably laughing at me right now. All right. And that's all. And then it's more plastic. Mill style. I'm over here struggling. I am struggling, man. I ain't gonna lie. Then my gloves, they fit right. Hey, forget it. It's over with. I got to watch, y'all. This thing is nice. Check it out. Look in the description, man, for more information. I'm about to go home and sign this watch. I got to go pick up this paper that the wind is blowing. I'm just trying to enjoy this weather, since I don't live in the South. I have to enjoy it when it's over 50 degrees. So other than that, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys, man. And until the next lightning strike, y'all be blessed. It's a really nice watch.